What's up, boys and girls? Today me and Spencer over there ice fishing. We also might do some shenanigans, but yeah, for now we're just ice fishing. So Brendan's here. He brought us some shiners and some tip ups. So now we're getting in. Hopefully we can catch a fish. Because we really need a video. If you guys could edit one, same with me. And yeah, no.
My drag was so loose with the carp, I thought I had a bluegill on.
Really? Yeah. What rod was that on?
My medium light, my Shimano Sedona, and the got one. Fish eagle rod. Yeah. Holy crap, my drag is loose. Oh, that's a jumbo perch. Yup. What was I even talking about? No, it's on a trout magnet. Alright, first fish of the day, boys. And girls, my bad. That is a jumbo perch. Oh my. Should I get a measurement on that, dude?
Yeah, go get the tape measurement.
Hey, back on our way.
What's the thing to get a medal for?
Don't know.
I think it's like 12.
Well, this is just off that.
How much is that?
This is 11. 11 inches right there. Tail pinched. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Last year I caught a
Alright.
massive one.
Going back.
And I had a tip up at
Yeah.
I had no idea what was on.
Eh,
I literally must have gone for an hour because the shine was down his throat. And I had to cut him.
there she goes. Let's go!
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Oh, Spencer, you have a fish!
I got it.
No, it just came off. No, it didn't. Hey, give me that, give me that. Nice. Yeah, I am. Hey, get it off the ice, Oh! No!
Let's go! Yeah!
I got it for him. Woo! That was so bad. Yo, don't kill the fish.
No, wait, I need a picture. Alright, sending her down, here we go. Dude, that one's gonna get absolutely bombed, I know it is.
Woo!
Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go.
Inhale.
Oh,
Inhale. Okay, ready?
fish on.
You're gonna take it out, but have to hold the line. Don't let the line move. Slowly, hold the line. Okay? Okay, when you feel it pull, rip its head off. Up, right up. 2 hands. When you feel it pull, rip its head up.
I'll feel it pulling. It's on. Yes?
No, let it go.
Aww.
Wait. Just let it, because it could have it in.
Because I saw it go slap.
Okay, Ben, now you just have the other tip on.
Alright. Well, this one's no you.
Move that one over here.
That one?
Move that tip up over here. Move the...
It's spinning. Or, yes. Uh-huh, it was.
So, come on. Okay. You feel it? Leave it.
Let me.
I don't feel anything. No.
Stop. Get up.
No, you can't.
Let go now.
Come on, now take that one.
Oh my god, it's on there, I think.
Oh.
Yes. Hold on. Should I set the hook?
Don't, unless once you feel it, rip it.
I'm gonna do it. It's the button. Guys, this is literally like a 6-pounder. I think I just caught my new PB through the ice. Let's get a nice release on this guy. Let's go! Thank you guys for watching this video. It was an awesome time out on the ice. And here's me a few days later. And I just got this. If you guys don't know what this is our new merch. If you want to get this is, I believe, the forest green color hoodie. If you want to get it, link in the description will be our merch site. We also have shirts, sweatpants, and sweatshirts, and also some other stuff. So go check that out. And if you're wondering what ice looks like right now, it's not doing too good. You guys can see out there, it's not even an inch thick. So hopefully that will freeze and we can get out there. But in the meantime, see you guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll be having more videos out in the next week or so. See you guys.